Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper plane. Just a simple paper plane. So let's begin. Just so you know, this plane will glide through the air, and if you throw it high, maybe if it's outside, maybe if it's not windy, then it will fly great. You won't be able to believe it. Alright, let's start. So first what you want to do is just make sure that you have an A4 paper. A4 plain paper. Now, let's see. So, first what you want to do is you want to get your paper and then you want to what you want to do is you want to fold two triangles. You're going to fold two triangles into the center. Like, just hold the corners, just a bit under the corners, and then push up. So first, you've got the normal paper. Now, if it's normal, then now you've got to lift it up, and then push it all the way inside. And now you've got two triangles. Now these two triangles, they're just the basics of the plane. They're the first two steps. Now what you want to be able to see is an almost straight line at the bottom of the triangles. So, and you want to see a complete line here. Now that you've got your triangle, you want to take it up. You want to pick the paper up from the ground a bit. And now you've hold this up from both sides. And then you want to fold. So you see that line? Yeah, so you fold it down from that line. And then you've got this. So let me just recap real quick. You had the plain paper. Then you go to the two triangles. And then you fold down from the straight line to get the kind of like an envelope really here. Now what you want to do is you want to get the corners of it, and now you want to fold it inside to the middle to try to find the exact middle. As accurate as possible, you can find the middle. Now if you've got an accurate middle, then it should look something like this. Like, say for example, a karate coach wearing a suit. It should probably look like this, where he's got it on. And there's a hole here. Now you've got this done, so it should look like this. And now, what you want to do is you want to try... So you see this corner here? You see this triangle? Yeah, now you want to fold it up. You want to fold it up like that, so that you've covered it. Now you're ready to make finish the paper plane off. So let's start by turning to the other side. So we're here. Now fold. Turn it over from the left side. Use your left hand. Now you've got the back. And now what you want to do is you want to turn it to the right. Now you've got this. Now what you want to do is you want to fold. You want to try to find a half over here. And then you want to fold the bottom half of that up. And then you fold it here into a paper plane kind of pose. And you're almost done with your paper plane. Now what you want to do is you want to hold this part of the plane, and then you want to fold it down, and then leave a small space here. Leave a small space for the corner. And you've got this part of the plane. Now flip the plane over, and let's do the same thing on this side. Now try to fold it exactly like the other one. Try to make it as close to the other one as possible. And now you've got your paper plane. It does look pretty cool, doesn't it? I mean, mine is in blue, but yours might be plain. Yours might be in white. Now, what you want to do is, if you're in the mood for some fun, then you might want to just design it. Like, add some designs to it on the sides over here, or just on the top. Now, I think you're going to really enjoy throwing it around, just aimlessly, pointlessly, time waste, but fun. Just fun. It is incredibly fun to just throw this plane around. It is absolutely sick. Now, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and like to the video, and share it to others, because they're gonna love this paper plane. Thank you for watching. See you next time.